Manufacturer shipped nearly the same number of cars minus 340,300. According to Munger, Tesla had a significant 55.95% increase in quarterly revenue, totaling $21,454 billion for the quarter that ended in September. During this time, Tesla made around $75 billion in revenue, a significant increase of 59.8% over the same period the previous year. The CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, has significantly improved society. In fact, Munger has openly said that Tesla's success in the auto sector is somewhat of a minor miracle because it has been a very long time since a new, successful auto firm has emerged. Known for his stellar investment track record, Charlie Munger issued a warning earlier this year at the Daily Journal's annual meeting. Munger noted that there was an abundance of venture capital and other forms of private equity funding because the shorts had reached an all-time high and that the economy was at risk because of some people's miserable excesses. He also predicted that the investment markets were in serious trouble. Munger linked the exorcist in the financial markets to elements like Bitcoin and GameStop. He also pointed out that inflation was shooting up globally as prices kept going up in a number of different areas of expenditure. Munger, who led the group of persons who spent more on commodities than they did a year earlier, pointed to the Consumer Price Index's 12 monthly percentage changes as proof of inflationary pressure as of October of last year. Investment bank Morgan Stanley released a statement about Tesla in which it stated that, even if Musk's use of Twitter would have a negative effect on consumer sentiment, investors could benefit from any subsequent decline in the price of Tesla's stock. This comes after the Federal Reserve raised interest rates 3 times in a row, which rate, according to a recent study by Morgan Stanley, the benchmark rate has climbed by 0.75 percentage points to a range of 3% to 3.25%. Due to a number of issues, including Elon Musk's ownership of Twitter, Tesla's market capitalization currently stands below $200 billion. Nonetheless, the analysis indicates that a key component in the pricing of Tesla's shares is investors' faith in the company's ability to project the economic prospects for its energy storage and electric vehicle businesses supported by a positive macroeconomic environment. It is challenging to measure how its confidence affects Tesla shares, but investors continue to worry about it, and it has just been put to the test. Strong fundamentals, including its remarkable car manufacturing, characterize Tesla. High car delivery rates and stable income. Although Tesla has demonstrated remarkable revenue profit margins and cutting-edge technology, it is still unclear if the company will achieve even greater success. Morgan Stanley projects that Tesla will make an effort to cut production costs in the future in an effort to bring down car pricing. The investment group also thinks Tesla might keep bringing down the cost of its cars. The company's China team reports that there have been notable price reductions in that market and anticipates comparable price reductions in Europe once Tesla's Giga Berlin factory starts producing over 5,000 units per week. Morgan Stanley projects that the expansion of the renewable supply chain in the U.S. might have a substantial positive impact on Tesla, a company that can make money and expand on its own. Therefore, the investment firm estimates that at the end of the day, Tesla stock may trade at about 23 times its PE and 12.5 times its EV per EBITDA, or earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, based on its 2025 forecast. Regardless of our feelings regarding Charlie's excessive optimism for Tesla's largest rival, or if we think he harbors a bias towards Tesla, we will always admire his brilliant investment and legacy. Regarding Charlie Munger's Tesla allegations, what are your thoughts? Please share your thoughts in the comments section. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. I'll see you in the next one. This year, Tesla has been doing incredibly well, which has led many people to think about buying the stock. What other outstanding investors think of Tesla stock is a question that many investors have. The question of whether Warren Buffett and his right-hand man, Charlie Munger, are positive on the stock could scarcely be more pressing at this point. Berkshire Hathaway Vice Chairman Charlie Munger has previously expressed disapproval of Tesla, although Munger questioned Elon Musk's actions in 2018 and called him a remarkable fellow in some ways. Munger has since made some incredibly complimentary remarks about Elon and Tesla in other Berkshire motions. Hathaway's holdings could indicate that Buffett and Morgan have reversed their initial opinions on Tesla and are now covertly accumulating shares of the company. In this video, we'll go over everything, so please watch, hit the like button, and subscribe. In recent months, Tesla and other tech and growth stocks saw a huge increase in value. Tesla hasn't been able to completely capitalize on this gain, though, since Elon Musk's constant distractions with his Twitter antics have overshadowed the company's remarkable performance and growth story. As the EV market grows quickly, Tesla is gaining ground, obtaining a large market share, and turning a profit. The business is looking for creative ways to handle this expansion in order to meet the spike in demand. According to Tesla, the cost of parts and assembly for one of their cars costs an average of $36,000, but the final price is usually at least $10,000 higher. By cutting the delivery wait times for its Model 3 and Model Y cars to only 1 week, Tesla has achieved a notable milestone. For Tesla devotees who have been discouraged by the lengthy wait times that have hampered sales, this information is very reassuring. Now that the waiting period has been reduced, there could be a big increase in demand for the company's electric cars. In Q3 2022, Tesla generated a $3.29 billion profit, which is quite remarkable given that Toyota delivered 8 times as many cars as Tesla did in the same time frame. This demonstrates that, at this highly interesting time for the firm, Tesla is not only leading the electric vehicle market, but is also rapidly growing to become the largest automotive sector globally. Regarding Tesla, Charlie Munger has made statements in public. In the business world, Charlie Munger is well regarded for his keen sense of humor, remarkable intelligence, and aptitude for spotting and funding profitable ventures. He has been a key contributor to Berkshire Hathaway's success as vice chairman and has shaped the investment philosophy that has made the company one of the most prosperous companies in history. Munger is a well-liked and significant figure in the financial industry due to his insights on business investing and life, which are highly respected and sought after by many. Charlie has previously criticized Tesla. He called Tesla CEO Elon Musk a remarkable fellow in some ways in 2018, but he also expressed disapproval for his actions, saying, "I don't think he needs to be tweeting. He doesn't need to travel to Mars, in my opinion." Munger has also voiced doubts on Tesla's value, stating that he is unsure if the company would succeed in 2019 or not. "I'm not sure, but it's been valued extremely high." Charlie Munger has doubts about the electric vehicle market. One company that defies his misgivings is BYD, a Chinese electric vehicle rival of Tesla. Since 2008, Berkshire Hathaway has been a shareholder in BYD. Munger has called BYD his all-time favorite stock, with returns on the company's investment exceeding 600%. When asked if he preferred BYD to Tesla, Munger was very clear in his response, pointing out that while Tesla's car costs decreased in China last year, BYD was able to raise theirs. In a recent interview with CNBC, Munger praised Tesla despite his initial skepticism. Munger claims that BYD has a substantial manufacturing capacity in China, which is almost ridiculous in comparison to Tesla's. The former space is equivalent to a significant portion of Manhattan Island. Charlie Munger has made remarks regarding Tesla's astounding achievements in the electric vehicle sector and its quick growth. Munger recently stated in an interview that he was positive on Tesla and that the firm has outperformed forecasts. Despite early skepticism, Munger has described Elon Musk's Tesla as a remarkable accomplishment in the U.S. auto business and a small miracle. As of January of this year, Tesla's market value surpassed $600 billion, making it one of the most valuable firms in the world. In the first 2 quarters of 2021, Tesla produced 1.91 million automobiles at that time. 386,759 automobiles were produced by the firm in the third quarter of 2022.